This podcast will discuss the paper titled A Shift from Coral to Macroalgae Dominance on a Volcanically Acidified Reef. Ocean acidification is caused by increased carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Oceans are a major carbon sink. Atmospheric carbon dioxide is dissolved into carbon dioxide in the water and combined with water becomes carbonic acid. Ocean acidification affects plants such as reef corals, which form calcium carbonate structures. The acidic water calcifies and degrades the coral. An acidic ocean ecosystem has a lower concentration of carbonate ions, which limits the ability of marine life to create calcium-based structures. This paper researched volcanic acidification of water at Maug in the Commonwealth of the Northern Mariana Islands. The volcanic acidification is very similar to acidification caused by increased carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. These findings can be used to predict future impacts of ocean acidification on coral reefs. Coral reefs support fisheries, tourism, and protect the shoreline from storms. It is near impossible to simulate the ecological effects of ocean acidification, so researchers have begun to study effects of volcanic carbon dioxide release from submarine subvents near coral reef ecosystems. This paper aimed to understand the responses of individual species in their natural habitat to ocean acidification from the release of volcanic carbon dioxide in Maug. This paper was the first study to find the change from coral to algae-dominated ecosystems in a natural setting of high acidity. It was found that with high acidity, there was a clear change from coral-dominated growth to fleshy macroalgae growth. This paper found that carbon dioxide-enriched waters favor macroalgae growth over coral reef growth. The state of the coral reef community at Maug represents a sad picture for the future of coral reefs worldwide. Across the world, this trend of community shifts from coral to algae is increasing with ocean acidification. Coral reefs are highly valuable to humans and their ecosystems, and they need our protection.